Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Azure Synapse Client Library. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of getting started with Azure Synapse Client Library step by step. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. The Azure Synapse Client Library is a set of libraries that enable you to interact with Azure Synapse from your application. To get started, you need to install the Azure Synapse Client Library. You can do this by using pip install Azure Synapse Spark or by using the Azure Synapse Studio to create a new notebook and install the library. Once installed, you can import the library and authenticate with your Azure Synapse workspace. You can authenticate using the default Azure credential or by providing a service principal. After authenticating, you can create a new Spark session and start executing Spark queries. The client library provides a range of functionalities including data ingestion, data transformation, and data analysis. One of the key concepts in Azure Synapse Client Library is the concept of a Spark session. A Spark session is the entry point to any functionality in Azure Synapse. You can use the Spark session to create data frames, execute SQL queries, and read and write data from various sources. Another important concept is the concept of data frames. Data frames are a fundamental data structure in Azure Synapse and are used to represent data in a structured format. You can create data frames from various sources such as CSV files, JSON files, and Parquet files. In terms of best practices, it's essential to optimize your Spark queries for performance. This can be done by using techniques such as caching, broadcasting, and predicate pushdown. Additionally, it's crucial to secure your Azure Synapse workspace by using authentication and authorization mechanisms. You can do this by using role-based access control and by encrypting data at rest and in transit. In conclusion, the Azure Synapse Client Library provides a powerful set of tools for interacting with Azure Synapse from your application. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with Azure Synapse Client Library and start building scalable and secure data pipelines. Remember to optimize your Spark queries for performance and secure your Azure Synapse workspace using authentication and authorization mechanisms.